नमस्कार. मी कवी राजाराम भाट. माझी नात छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराजांबद्दल इंग्लिशमध्ये आपल्याशी संवाद साधते किंवा भाषण करते. ऐका.
Good morning, respected principal, teachers, all my dear friends. My name is Anvi Anil Thakre. Today I am going to speak a few words about Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was a great king on 19 February. He 60-30.